Good morning, guys. Welcome to Plant Therapy. This is Mona. Thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time, welcome. And please do remember to like and subscribe. And here we go. Let's just get right into this. As you can see from this card, I got a plant delivery from the Hoya Shop, an Etsy seller. Check it out. This is what I got. This is Hushkiliana albomarginata, which was on the wish list. Isn't that pretty? Look at that leaf. If I can get a little bit more of that, would be ideal. But either way, I do love it. It's very pretty. Beautiful plant. So it was on the wish list, as I told you guys. First, let me give the Hoya Shop some props. Look at this name tag. I think this is adorable touch. Look at that. Can you see that? My finger's kind of in the way. Hushkiliana albomarginata, but then you can see the name of the shop right through there. Isn't that cute? I love that. And yeah, it was nicely packaged. Oh, don't fall. Okay. All right, here we go. Safe. Anyway, the package was nicely done. Wrapped very well, insulated. Came within a few days. So there was... It was almost a problem because I got the message that USPS delivered it. However, it wasn't on my doorstep when I got here as expected. So I went to my mailbox and I didn't see a key in my mailbox, which is what they usually do when they leave it in a parcel locker. So then a little panic came over. So I went walking back to my house and I'm looking on my neighbor's doorsteps and thinking maybe they put it in the wrong place. Came back inside with everything I had. I had mail and all kinds of stuff in my hands. So I said, let me drop everything, regroup, check the message. And so I had to walk back to my mailbox. And we have two parcel lockers at the bottom. And both had their keys in the door. So something said, just open it up, look inside. Sure enough, there was my box sitting there. Anybody could have taken it. I would have died. Because look at her. Isn't she beautiful? So anyway, that was a close call. But anyway, she was very well packed in that insulated material and just wrapped so nicely. Such a loving touch to mailing plants. I love it when people take their time and do that. So shout out to the Hoya Shop. And if you guys want to check it out on Etsy. Yeah, so the reason why this was on the wish list is because of this little Missy here that I had from, I don't know, maybe a year ago. I'll have to look at the records to see when I purchased this. If I can find it, I'll put it up there. And where I got this from, I'll have to look that up as well. But this is growing like crazy. And look when it gets the new leaves, how pretty that is. So yeah, this one sits up in a west-facing window. And it's been doing good, even with the chilly days. And I have drafty windows, old windows, unfortunately. They really need to be replaced. But it does well, even with the cold. You know, I thought maybe I have to move it, but I haven't had any problems. So, and as you know, I purchased this one. Got this about a week or so ago. So yeah, this and the Memoria came together. And yeah, so far so good, no problems. I sprayed them down, cleaned them up. I'm not repotting these anytime soon. If anything, I'll take cuttings and start them in pond. But, and as you can see, there's lots of new growth here. So I don't really want to mess with the plant anytime soon with repotting and all that. I still have some Hoyas that are in soil, and they can stay there as long as they're not having any problems. but I'll take cuttings and start the cuttings in pond because that's my preference. However, to transfer them from soil to pond, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna take the chance. That's that's a tricky thing. And for any of you who are watching and they know, I love my pond, right? But I always say do your research on how to transfer a plant that's in soil, used to soil, into pond. So be careful with that because I wouldn't want you to lose your plant following what I've done. I've taken chances with some, but these guys are so precious to me. And I lost one of these before. When I got it, it looked healthy, but it came in packaged with, it was packed with two other Hoyas. And the one Hoya had something funky on the leaves that just started spreading and some kind of infection or something on the leaves. And before you know it, the green Hoshkiliana I had also started showing that, a Matilde. I got that from somebody out in California. I'm not going to badmouth them, put the name out there, but I won't be ordering from there. I mean, they made it right. They reimbursed me my money and stuff. So whatever, things happen. But yeah, I guess because they were all sitting in a package together, whatever it was seemed to spread to all the plants. So I got rid of them and tossed them. I wasn't going to risk the rest of my collection, you know. So anyway, so this is a second attempt, but I just love the way these leaves are. So I've been wanting this one as well. And now I have the outer variegated Hoshkiliana. So yeah, now I have all three, and hopefully they'll do well. I've already cleaned this one up. It looked pretty clean and everything when I unwrapped it, but still, just want to be safe. So I washed the leaves off and gave it just a little bit of water just to get over the shock of traveling in a box for a couple of days, but it came pretty quickly. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'm going to try to get out to maybe Walmart and do some filming, but that's only if they have anything I think you might want to see. Have a great weekend. Thank you all for your support, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.